In this video, we will cover various tray accessories to help you customize your shaking experience. Safety first. Power down and unplug your shaker before installing accessories. Want to customize your shaking experience? Secure your flasks for worry-free shaking. Available in various sizes, they install easily and keep your samples safe. Align the holes in your flask clamp with the holes in the tray. Use a flathead screwdriver to tighten the screws, but don't overdo it. Place your flask or media bottle in the clamp and wrap the spring around the neck for a snug fit. For PVC clamps, simply insert the flask.